trying to wear headphones? Cat girls trying to wear headphones. Why would you try to wear headphones? There's no way you can cover your ears. Cat girls can't wear headphones. Please stop, it makes no sense. It's so dumb,
Not physically possible.
and it confuses
They
me.
won't stay up
Why
on
you
their
trying to
head.
wear those
They'll
headphones?
just slide off.
Look at this picture. It doesn't make any sense at all. I used to work at the headphone store until I got fired from my job because I told a customer who was coincidentally a cat girl that she can't wear these headphones unless she has real ears hiding underneath her hair. But that's a myth, and here's a fact. If I try to touch her hair, I might get smacked. That would not look good on my record. I respect all the women I meet. I'm a nice guy, be my Valentine.
What? No, that's not what the song.
I said I'm a nice guy, be my
Guys, go on. Be crazy, man. I
Valentine.
don't think I can work with that.
He's having a meltdown again.
Calm down.
Turn off the song.
It's okay, man. It's okay. It's okay.